Remove these for screws. Take the trim off. Use a tool to remove the clips. Pry it open. Hold on tight and pull him out. Note marking the position of the original locks and screws in. Correct location makes it easier to install them at a later stage. Take the screws off. This is our product. Take out the stock springs first. Put the chip on top of the original lock. Push him up as you pull. Snap it in tight. Use a tool to press on one half of the half-moon tooth. Then start loading our products. Put them together. Put this up face up. The spring presses down and hangs it up. Align it with the original hose and install it. Put the screws in place. Next is the process of installing our alignment tray at open. Let's pick out the original eye. It is recommended to clean it first before applying. Tear it off and stick it in the direction of your finger. Plug in the red wire. Pry it open requires tools to complete. Black wire to the right. Snap under the screw and tighten. Connecting the wires to the electrosuction arc. Use a tie rack to straighten out the wires. Keep the side with the text facing out for easier use. Connect the original wires. Connect the cover plate to the wires as well. When you're done, this place will light up. Pairing with a cell phone. Once it's all done, start testing. When you're done testing, unplug it and put it in the trunk. Pry it open. Reinstall it again. Put the screws back on. Put back the trim panel. The installation is complete.